Hey, how you doing? Kevin Clark here. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can start earning $100 to $200 a day thanks to Clickbank. Using Clickbank as a place to find products, reason being it's free to sign up, it's really straightforward as well, and there's a load of affiliate programs out there. However, some of them are not that simple to get started with, or you may be waiting for weeks in order for your account to be verified. Whereas Clickbank, they've been here for quite some time. I've been using Clickbank for near enough a decade, and they have categories for every niche inside there. One thing I can say, all of the products aren't necessarily great, so make sure you do your research first. And this is how I research a product that's worth promoting and adding value to somebody else with. So, and let me stress this as well, if you're listening to this in the age of the coronavirus, it'll be really good for you if you are at home, self-employed, even if you're employed and you're at home and you've got time on your hands. This is the perfect time for you to start your online business. This will make you residual income. It will be an income stream as well, an extra income stream, in case your employer decides to say to you, look, we don't know how we can take care of you, therefore we can no longer employ you. Okay, at least you'll be self-sufficient. So it's important that you generate passive income streams, with this being one of them. Another great thing is if you can work on this as you desire, when you desire. So if you work on this, this will look after you. So there's nothing like being in a position where you're self-sufficient and you have your own income streams, okay? Because if you're self-employed, same rules apply. You know, if the economy dries up, people aren't coming to you for your services, then it's important that you position yourself so that you are solving problems. And affiliate marketing has enabled me to solve a lot of problems for a lot of people. Now, I got started over 10 years ago. I hooked up with a gentleman called Mark Anastasi, my first mentor. He's a multimillionaire. He went on to write a few books. The first book was The Laptop Millionaire, which went on to be a New York Times bestseller, and I was featured in that book. So you can read about me on page 77 of that book. And thanks to Clickbank and YouTube and Google AdWords at the time, I started to make some handsome profits. So if I can do it, you can as well, okay? So let's dive into this. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that now before we go in. Hit the alert button for updates from me. Let's get the ball rolling. So here we are, Clickbank. If you've not got a Clickbank account, go to clickbank.com, sign up, get an account free. That way you'll get something called a hop link. A hop link is embedded in every product you promote through Clickbank, which goes back to you and your account, so that the checks get sent to you, money's paid directly to you. So in order for you to become affiliated to every single product in the Clickbank database in these categories here, you must sign up, which is free of charge, to get your account set up and to get your hop link. So how do you find a good product? Well, as an example, I'm going to go into e-business and e-marketing. I find this niche very evergreen, and what I will do is I will look at products that are tested and have stood the test of time. You've got different price ranges here. So you've got CB University here, which is Clickbank's very own product that helps a ton of people make money online, and you will get $200.54 for every person that purchases CB University through your hop link. And as you can see here, there's over 70k students that are in CB University, and once you promote this particular product and you generate a sale, you will get residual income, recurring income for life, as long as that person's using the service. Isn't that beautiful? So if you wanted to promote that, I would suggest that you go into this section here, Vendor Spotlight. So you've got Vendor Spotlight, and this will break down the statistics, the vendor statistics. Average sale $200, 0.55. Initial sale $56. Per sale 63. Subscription 156.06. Per rebill 38%. Gravity 44.43, which is great. That's showing you that this product is really popular, yeah? And subscribers 132. So here, the vendor profile, it breaks down everything for you. And the affiliate page, you can have a look here. This is the JV page. This is going to give you some more incentives about CB University. So I would strongly advise you to have a look at the page, make sure it looks clean, make sure the product that you're promoting has a lot of support in regards to like links and maybe some giveaways, maybe a page of your very own that you can promote. And once you're happy with the product that you choose to promote, you then go to promote. Okay, so you'd hit promote, and what Clickbank will do is, depending on the product you're promoting, give you some more options. So here it says landing page. You can preview the landing page if you like. In fact, we'll do that. So you can choose from any of these here which suits you. Okay, and once you've done that, you can take a look at the page which you'll be promoting, and that's what that particular one looks like. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, so there's some text there. Now here it says you can earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. Get started now by creating a hot link. So if you wanted to track your products, what you'll do is, for example, if you was promoting this through Pinterest, type in pin, short for Pinterest, and then generate a hot link. Boom. And here you go. It's generated for you your own personalized hot link. When you copy and paste that, you'll see that product open up. Okay, now there's code inside of that URL link, which means that whenever a person makes a purchase, you're going to get the commission. So you automatically get the commission because your details are embedded in that link that's been created. Okay, so that's how you get affiliated to all of the products inside of Clickbank. Now then, now you have a product to promote, you're going to need traffic, which is the lifeblood of the internet. Without traffic, you're not going to make a single penny. Your traffic will convert to sales. So it's about finding people that want your product or want your service. Don't just throw your hot link everywhere. No, you have to be strategic, you have to be wise. Concentrate and focus your energy and time, and make sure that you place your product in the face of people that want it. And I'll show you a strategy right now. So how do you get traffic to your Clickbank products? Follow me. A traffic source which I recommend 1,000,000,000% is Udimi. As you can see here, here's Udimi, udimi.com. I'll leave the link in the description box, which I'm affiliated to as well. So I'll be rewarded if you go through my Udimi link. And here's what you do. You sign up with Udimi, 100% free. Once you do that and you log in, it will take you to this page that you can see here. Now, click on Solo Deals, and you will see these people here on the left. These people have a massive list of people that want your type of services. Okay, so here we've got this person. 1,100 plus positive ratings, 40 cents per click. So you can literally promote a product by using these people's lists, tried and tested lists. All you need to do is provide a little advert, email swipe, and you send it to one of these. A lot of the times you don't even need to do that. All you need to do is send your hop link to any person you would like to promote your Clickbank product or your affiliate product. So let me go deeper. Excuse me. If we click here, you can see 1,269 people rate this person here in a good way. 8 people don't. It's breaking down the details here in terms of turnaround, how much it costs per click. And there's some information here. First, before I start revealing, please know being a super affiliate is hard. Yes, many Clickbank marketers can make upwards of a few $1 million a year, but those results are not typical. It does take effort, like working out at the gym. You have to put some muscle into it. That stated, day in and day out, there are proven strategies, principles and tactics every Clickbank super affiliate uses, and you can learn them. So this particular solo ad provider is brilliant. I like this person's approach, because they're being very straightforward and upfront, because sometimes people want success overnight, right? However, if there's one thing I know, this is one of the fastest ways where you can get targeted buyers to your product. This is through leveraging other people's efforts. So look, this person's got a huge database of people in their email list, and all you need to do to get their eyeballs on your product is to send this person your affiliate link. They'll create an email for you. Once that's done, they will then send a message to hundreds, thousands, doesn't matter, however many clicks you want, you pay for that, and then they will broadcast your message to their emails, inboxes, and it will reach the inbox, and then the person will open that message, click on your link after reading your ad. It will take them to the product, and once they make a purchase, you'll be paid handsome commission. And this is the fastest way I know in how to get eyeballs, laser targeted people to your product, right? So if you're interested in that, if you wanted 500 visitors, you would pay, in this instance, $203, right? Now look at the numbers, they don't lie. Look, happy people, okay, have invested in Patrick's list. Patrick has delivered and delivers continually. More details. Fresh traffic daily, so he gets fresh new leads in his email list. New visitors come in daily from different sources, like 1,000 plus a day. Come on now. Top tier, 90%, guaranteed at least 90% are from the major English countries. Normally higher T1 converts to more sales. US, CA, UK, NZ and Australia. My list works best with MLM, BizOp, MMO and crypto and health. Fast delivery. I do not accept no mobile options. Straightforward, right? Here we've got some testimonials. So let's have a read of them. 7 clicks, good solo. Got 1 sale, so I'm happy. Look at that, 1 sale. As promised, got real people, that's for sure. 2. Thanks, Patrick, for brought 50 clicks for 18th of March 2020. Awesome. 2 thumbs up. Brought 150 clicks. Brought 500 clicks. Bought 300 clicks. Bought 100 clicks, and so on and so forth. Okay, so results driven, love it. So would I be encouraged to invest in Patrick's list? Of course I would, because I know that I'm going to get real people visiting my product if I use his service. So that's how you get quality, targeted, laser targeted traffic, one of the ways, to your Clickbank affiliate link to your product and service. So dive into it. I've left the links in the description box below. You click on the links, it will take you straight to Udimi. Click on the links, take you straight to Clickbank. Sign up straight away and dive in, take action, speak a bit about the results afterwards. That's it from me, Kevin Clark, believing in you. Remember, stay focused. God bless. Bye.